Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to post multiple pictures on Facebook Story with music. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin this process, open the Facebook app on your iPhone and ensure you have the latest version installed. Access your story by tapping on Create Story. Once you are in the story creation interface, choose Multiple Photos, then choose the photos you preferred, and after selecting them, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, tap on Edit in the upper right corner, and here you might see an option to add music. Locate the music icon or a related music feature. Its appearance might vary depending on your app version. Tap on the music icon or the relevant music option. You have the choice to choose a music track from the available options. Some versions of the app allows you to search for a specific songs or artist, customize your story by adding text, stickers, filters, or other creative elements. To add music to additional posts, move the next post and repeat the process described above. Once you've added the desired photos and music, tailor your story further according to your preferences. When you are satisfied with your story, tap the Share the Story button to post it on your Facebook story. And please be aware that the availability of music features in Facebook stories could be influenced by your location due to licensing agreements. Moreover, Facebook frequently updates its app and features, so the exact steps and options might change since my last update. For the most accurate and current information, I recommend consulting Facebook's official support, resources, or the app's help section. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.